So at noon, Santos, he plans to introduce a privilege motion to expel Congressman Jamaal Bowman for pulling a fire alarm. What do you think of that?
Well, the Ethics Committee decisively acted with respect to the situation with Jamaal Bowman and indicated that no further Ethics Committee action was necessary. So there's no basis for George Santos, who's a joke and an embarrassment and a serial fraudster, to move forward with any resolution or to take him seriously at all. Question that we should all be asking is, why is George Santos still around? Like, House Republicans knew a lot about George Santos before he was elected. And we have reason to believe either intentionally kept that information out of the public domain or willfully turned a blind eye. And then when the information exploded into the public domain, continued to coddle George Santos and play footsie with him for the better part of the year. Why? Because House Republicans needed George Santos's vote. And that is the reason, in part, that George Santos remains an important part of the House Republican conference, along with his best buddy, Marjorie Taylor Greene.